Here we have the Antra True Color Wide Shade Range 4/5-13 Auto Darkening Welding Helmet. Now, this kind of has a lot of features that really I don't fully understand because I am a first time welder and I got one of those basic beginner welding machines and I'm just trying to do stuff around the house. Always wanted one, and it was a full kit. The mask it came with was severely lacking and actually scared me. So I don't want to mess around with safety or my eyes. So I went out and I looked at this one and I chose this one for the safety factor. I wanted full face protection. I wanted more reliable protection. So from an amateur point of view, this was pretty simple to set up, fit securely, figuring out the functions of the auto darkening helmet lens. Basically all I had to do was put 2 screws to put the head strap, connect it to the plastic face and shield, and I was good to go. I set a few settings, and the knob to transition for the power level for the darkening shade was pretty self-intuitive. I was able to safely make my first weld, kind of in a position where I needed to do an emergency fix. So I was a little rushed in trying to get this together, but it was all good, and I'm glad I spent the extra money and went with a more quality piece than what the all-in-one kit gave me. And this is my point of view from this helmet from someone who you should be taking pretty much no advice about welding from, because I'm a total beginner. But the only thing I can tell you that if you're a beginner also, this worked for me and should probably work just as fine for you. This seems like it's gonna last my whole welding career. So check it out.